If Photoshop is showing a disk is full error, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This is one of the most common Photoshop problems, and it usually happens when your scratch disk is full, your system drive is low on space, or your files are too heavy for Photoshop to handle smoothly. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and easy Photoshop guides. Let's start with the most important fix first, because in most cases, this is what solves the problem immediately. Open this PC on your computer and check the drive that Photoshop is using as the scratch disk, which is usually your C drive. Photoshop needs free space on that drive to work properly, so if it is nearly full, that can trigger the disk is full error. Try to free at least 20 to 50 gigabytes if possible. The more space you can clear, the better Photoshop will run. A quick way to free space is to delete temporary files. Press Windows key and R to open the run box, type %temp% and press enter. This opens your temp folder. Select the files inside and delete them. If some files cannot be removed because they are in use, just skip those and continue. After that, empty your recycle bin and remove any large unused files, old videos, downloads, or project folders that you no longer need. Even a little extra space can make a big difference. Now, let's move on to the next fix, which is changing the scratch disk. This is often the best solution if your main drive is getting full. Open Photoshop, then go to Edit, Preferences, and Scratch Disks. Here, you'll see the available drives on your system. If your current scratch disk is full, switch Photoshop to another drive, ideally a faster SSD with more free space. Uncheck any drive that is already full or nearly full, then select the better drive and restart Photoshop so the change takes effect. If you are working on a large image file, you can also reduce the file load to make Photoshop more stable. Go to Image, then Image Size, and lower the resolution if you do not need the file at maximum quality. Another helpful step is converting the document from 16-bit to 8-bit if your workflow allows it, since 8-bit files use less memory and scratch disk space. If your document has a lot of layers and you do not need them all editable, flatten the layers when possible. This reduces the amount of data Photoshop has to process. Another setting that can help is limiting the history states. Photoshop stores a lot of undue information, and that can use a surprising amount of memory and disk space. To adjust this, go to Edit, Preferences, and Performance. Find History States and lower it to somewhere between 20 and 50. If it is set very high, Photoshop may be using more resources than necessary. Lowering this number can help reduce the chance of getting the disk is full message, especially on bigger projects. You should also clear Photoshop's cache when the program starts acting sluggish or keeps showing storage-related errors. Go to Edit, then Purge, and choose All. This removes temporary cached data that Photoshop no longer needs. Just remember that purging the cache cannot be undone, so make sure you do this only when you are ready. If Photoshop has been holding on to a lot of temporary data, this step can give you a cleaner, faster workspace. At this point, Photoshop should have much more breathing room and the error should be gone, or at least much less frequent. The key is to free up space, make sure the scratch disk points to a healthy drive, and reduce the size and load of your documents. Those 3 steps solve most disk full issues in Photoshop. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a like and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, computer fixes, and easy step-by-step guides. And if you want, I can also help you with more Photoshop error fixes in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.